students, welcome back to Ria classes. Today I have of the new topics under the sports lesson. Okay, so in this part 2 of lesson number 7, sports and history of 10th standard, today I will teach you about the types of sports, that is indoor games as well as the outdoor games. First we will see about the indoor games. Basically, what is the definition of the indoor games? Indoor games are those games which are placed in the closed environment as well as inside the campus. So first we'll see which are the indoor games. Here you can see some of the examples I wrote, that is the chess, card games, dice and carom. Basically these are the games which are played at one particular place, sitting at one particular place and um, to entertain ourselves. Okay, apart from that there are also some of the other examples which are mentioned in your textbook, that is Chauk Bara as well as Sagar Gote. Sagar Gote is that type of game which is actually played with the help of seeds, or you can say by playing with the stones. Okay, so normally this type of games which they have mentioned about the Chaukbara or Sagar Gote are played in village area. Now these type of games which I have mentioned you about the Sagar Gote or Chaukbara can have the another name in every region, because every state you will try to find the pronunciation or maybe the names for that games will be different. Okay, so there is one more game they have mentioned in your textbook, that is about the playing with the doll, Bhatukli. Okay, so basically Bhatukli can be played by the girls only, not by the boys. And nowadays you will find even the parents are taking initiative in their mock wedding when they are small. So they will be doing the mock wedding of the dolls. Okay, bringing their dolls, male and female, and they will be doing the wedding like that. It is a example like they have told about the Bhatukli game. Okay, so this is what all about the indoor games. Now we will see the next type, that is the outdoor games. Outdoor games are those games which are placed in outside the campus as well as not in the closed environment. So again outdoor games can be divided into two parts, that is the Indian games as well as the international games. Now we will see again which are the Indian games. Normally the games which are played like within our area, for example Kho, then Kabaddi, Atapatta. Atapatta is also like a kabaddi game only, where two groups will be there and one group have to out for the another group, like they have to just win the match. Okay, that is how like the match will be played in Atapata. So basically you will find these all matches will be played in the village area only, not like in city area. Okay, at the big level. So these are the small level games. Okay, after that even they have told here some of the more examples of the Indian games like holes, then playing with the top, which is called a bingri. We will see some of the Indian games examples. So marbles are there, gilli dandu, then lagori is there, bhavre, which can be also called here as the tops, Fukdi and Zimma. These are all the examples which are given in your textbook. Okay. Now after this Indian games, we can learn about the international games. The games which are played at the international level can be called as the international games. Now which are those games? Okay. Badminton is there, cricket is there, hockey is there, golf is there, polo is there. These are some of the examples of the international games. Apart from this, they have told here even about the running race. Okay, these are also the matches which are played at the international level. Now see, whenever we are talking about the running race, okay, that can be played at the short distance or maybe at the long distance. Okay, so short distance matches under the running race are 100-meter race, 200-meter race, and like short middle distance you can say, or the long distance also can be played like 400, 800-meter matches are there, 3 kilometers are also there. Okay, as well as even they are playing the hurdle games as well as the relay games. These are the matches also played in the school. Okay, now after that they have given here the example of the more games, that is polo is also a game which can be played in the swimming pool. Okay, then Mallakham is there. Malakam can be played in two ways, that is with the rope as well as like a gymnastic way. Okay, even your shot put is there, the discus throw is there, long jump, high jump. Now the next topic is about the adventurous games. Now which games are called adventurous games? The games which you will find adventure, okay, those games are called the adventurous games. For example, ice skating, ice hockey. Apart from this, some of the other examples, another adventurous games are rock climbing, gliding, then motorbike, car race. Okay, so where you will find lot of adventure, even risk is there in those types of games. Now, next point is about the sports competition. Basically, sport competition can be held worldwide. Now, which are those sports competition? For example, you will find Olympic Games, which had started by the Greek. Second is about the Asian Games, okay, that is also called as the Asian Games. Third, you can say Paralympic Games, and fourth, it is Cricket World Cup. So here some of the uh, examples I wrote about the sports competition, and this question can be asked in the board exam in flowchart. So student, please you can note down this question about the sports competition played worldwide. Okay, Olympics, Asian Games, Paralympic Games, and Cricket World Cup. Okay, but there are also some of the games like hockey and cricket which can be played at the international level, and even these two games which are there, cricket as well as hockey, is played by our country. So even these games which are I have said, okay, can be played at the different levels. That means directly the child is not getting chance to play at the national level or the international level. School actually is giving the opportunity for the kids to play or build their career in the sports, okay, starting at the city level or the taluka level. From the taluka level they will move to the, you can say, zonal level, district level, then zonal, then you can move to the region wise, sometimes the competitions are held, and then it will be national as well as international level. So step by steps students can build their career in the sports. So next games are called here the swimming pool games, like water polo is there, rowing is there. Okay, and like this you will find number of games which are not mentioned in the textbook, but still it is played at the international level. So today we have discussed about the indoor games, outdoor games, and again the outdoor games. Okay, you have learned about the Indian games as well as the international games, which games are coming under the international games. Okay, then about the sports competitions which are held at the different levels, as well as Olympics, Asia, Paralympic, as well as Cricket World Cup. These are some of the sports competitions which are conducted by the various countries. Okay, in the next topic we will learn here some more content. Till then, bye.